Jen. I'm one of the PAs here at InterveneMD, and today we're going to talk a little bit about regenerative aesthetics. I know we all want better aesthetic results, but you have to start from the inside out because your best Botox results don't start with Botox. Let's be honest, if you're spending good money on Botox, microneedling, lasers, or body contouring, you probably want great results that last. But here's the thing. No matter how advanced the treatment is, it can only do so much if your body isn't healthy enough to heal, repair, and regenerate properly. You might be wondering what we do differently, and at InterveneMD, we take a whole body approach to aesthetics. We call it functional aesthetics. We look at what's happening under the surface, your metabolism, hormones, gut health, muscle tone, even your mitochondria, and use advanced tools to optimize your aesthetic results. This is not just a feel-good idea, it's backed by science. Here's what that can look like. Peptides like BPC-157 and GHK copper can help your body heal, build collagen, and reduce inflammation. We have vitamin C infusions to support tissue repair and boost your collagen from the inside. We also have Vasper and Emsculpt Neo here, which can help you improve your muscle tone, your metabolism, and increase your fat loss. We're big fans of always balancing a patient's hormones in support of their journey with weight loss medications like GLP-1, semaglutide, and tirzepatide. We also always like to take a good look at a patient's thyroid function, their sex hormones like testosterone, progesterone, and their estrogen, and their adrenal function. Many patients are interested in getting their micronutrients tested, as well as their gut health, so we can correct imbalances that kind of slow you down and hinder that healing. The multidimensional approach allows your skin, your fascia, and your tissues to regenerate more completely from procedures like microneedling, platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, injections, exosomes, radiofrequency treatments, and injectables. Now, who's this for? This is for anyone who wants their Botox or microneedling results to last longer, who's maybe noticing loose skin after weight loss, especially if you're taking drugs like Ozempic or Mounjaro, someone who feels tired, inflamed, or just kind of feeling off, maybe someone who's tried lots of aesthetic treatments but isn't seeing the glow or firmness they were hoping for. Or maybe someone who wants to age well, not just look younger, but feel better too. I believe that you deserve more than a quick fix. We are not a med spa. We are not a Botox bar. We are a modern medical practice that helps people heal, look, and feel their best, and live with more energy and more confidence. We'll never rush you in and out of the door with a syringe and a post-procedure cream. We want to understand the why behind your concerns and help build a plan that helps you glow from the inside out. Ready to experience the InterveneMD difference? If you're thinking about aesthetics, let's talk first about your foundation. You'll not only get better results, you'll feel better, sleep better, think more clearly, and move through life with more confidence. So, before your next aesthetic treatment, ask yourself, have I built the internal foundation strong enough to support the external changes I'm investing in? We'd love to help you find out. Let's talk. Schedule a regenerative aesthetics consultation and learn more about functional medicine at InterveneMD.com.